Open the frame. Adjust the height of the wheels. Ensure that the height of the 3 displays is consistent. Lock the 3 displays together with a wrench. Ensure that the antennas and network cables are installed. Pay attention to the HDMI interface. Connect HDMI cables. Back view. Front view. Connect power cables. The display is on. Connect to the hotspots of LED poster. Open vPlex Express. Click Add Device. Click Screen Management. Click Multi-Screen Mosaic. Open Multi-Screen Mosaic.